Hello all, a very happy good morning. Welcome to Shri Purnima Jyoti here. So today we are coming up with some regular wear collections. Okay, it's a Manipuri Kota cotton sarees. Okay, with shibori printings. All of them are very lightweight sarees. The fabric will be similar to the one which I am wearing. Okay, it's not the same design. It's a shibori design, but the fabric is similar. All the sarees are price is 750 rupees. Shipping is extra. Shipping charges are 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available for all the products. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. In one particular order, you can have any number of products. So COD processing charges 100 rupees is a standard fees. Okay. Let's go with the sarees now. So the design of these sarees will be similar. Okay, all of them are with shibori printed sarees, and you have the contrasted pallu. Okay, if the white is the base color, so here the sea green is the contrasting color. So the pallu will come with the same color. The saree length is 6.3 meters with running blouse. If you want, you can match it with the contrast blouse as well. So I will open and show you the sarees how it will be looking. All of them are very lightweight sarees. So this is the first design. You can see it's a white with green color. Okay, all over the saree body part you have this kind of a shibori design, and in the pallu you have this design. Okay, this design is going to be the same for all the sarees. Only the color will be varying, and you have the golden patta in both the borders. It's a medium, it's a small size only. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking when you actually drape it. So this is the first saree. It's a white with sea green. Price is 750. All of them are very lightweight sarees, easy to maintain as well. So this is the first look. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. For all the orders and enquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me. Don't go with the saree number or description. Screenshot will help us much better. So this is the first one. It's a white with green shibori printed Manipuri Kota cotton sarees. Okay, it's lightweight sarees. In a single layer, it will have a slight transparency. Okay, not much of a transparency. A slight transparency is there in the single layer, but when you actually pleat it, it will look very elegant. It's very soft and easy to drape as well. So this is the transparency will completely go when you actually pleat it. Okay, so this is the first color. It's a white with green. Price is 750. So the next one is a lovely peach with pink color. So all the sarees has the golden patta border. Okay, this is the second one. It's a peach with pink shade. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, this is a peach with pink. With shibori printing, the design will be the same. It has the running blouse as like the saree design. Okay, it's the total length is 6.3. You can match with a brocade blouse or a plain with zari blouse. It will be convenient. Okay, so this is the second saree. It's a peach with pink. Please take the screenshot for all the orders and enquiries. So the next one is a very lovely color. It's a fluorescent yellow with green shade. Not bright color. Okay, so this is the next one. It's a yellow with green, a light fluorescent shade, but not brighter color. It's a compatible color only. Okay, so this is the next one. Yellow with green. Okay. The blouse is running. Okay, you have the same design of the body, saree body in the blouse as well. Okay. So the next comes the blue with purple. So light blue color with purple shade. You have the golden zari board. Just a minute. Yeah. So light blue with purple. This is how the saree will be looking. Okay. You have the small size borders, golden pata border in both the corners, and all over the saree you have this kind of a shibori printing, and this is the pallu. For all the sarees the design will be the same. You have the running blouse. You can match it with the contrasting blouse as well. It's all regular wear collection, easy to drape and maintain. So the next comes the pink with blue combination. Price is 750. COD available for all the products. COD processing charges is 100 rupees applicable extra to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. This is the next saree. It's a pink with blue. So the next one is a yellow with red combination. So yellow with red, this is how the saree will be looking when you actually pleat it. Okay, it's a yellow with red, it's mango yellow with red color. The total saree length is 6.3 meters. So the next one is a different shade. It's a green with maroon. Okay, the shade of a grass. Very lightweight sarees. You can regular wash it. So first wash should be a plain wash, and after that you can regular wash. So this is the next one. So very lovely color combination, green with maroon. So this is how the saree will be looking. All of them are very lightweight sarees. The fabric is Manipuri Kota cotton sarees. So this is how the saree will be looking. All of them are very lovely color combinations as well, and lightweight collections. So this is the last color, a red with black color. So these sarees look very lovely when you fully drape it. Okay, so this is the next one. Even when you pleat, this will look very nice. If you want, you can drape it in single also. In single layer, a slight transparency is expected in this particular collection. Okay, so the fabric is alike, but the fabric is lightweight only. This is a red with black. This is the last saree for today's live. Price is 750. Shipping is extra. 60 rupees for singles within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. So for all the orders and enquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870, or you can inbox me as well in my page or my profile, FB profile. So thanks for all your support. Please keep watching and entertain our collections as well. Please share our collections as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.